Okay, now we are going to discuss about the other model of number system, that is cyclicity. So in this cyclicity model, we have to find unit digits of the problems like this. Okay, so here we don't need in the given problem we don't need to have a cyclicity here, but we have to understand cyclicity to in order to solve these type of problems. What is cyclicity means? Cyclicity means the periodicity at which the numbers appear one and the same again. For example, the cyclicity or the periodicity of 2 power 1, 2 square, 2, 3, 2 power 4 and 2 power 5 and 2 power 6. The cyclicity or the periodicity of the last digit or the unit digit that appear in these problems where the unit digit here is 2 and here is 4, here is 8 and here is 6. What about 2 power 5? It ends with 2 again, 2 power 6, it will be 4. Okay, so here the cyclicity means the periodicity, that is 4. So after every 4 numbers or every 4 exponents, the 4 multiple of the exponent, it will be repeating. So this is cyclicity here. With this cyclicity we can understand, we can get unit digit without doing the full multiplication of different numbers. Okay, what about this problem? In this problem we don't have any powers or exponents. We can directly multiply the ending numbers or unit digits. 7 into 7. Okay, when you multiply or conventional multiplication, when you perform conventional multiplication for 67 into 37, you will multiply 7 and 7 first. That means the last unit digit or the unit digit of 7 and 7 will be the unit digit for 67 and 37 itself. So it will be 9. And the same case here also, it will be 3 and here it is 6 and it will be 2. Or you can do continuously, convenient as for you. Okay, 9 into 3, 7 and 6 into 7 it's 2, 2 into 2 it's 4. So the answer is 4 here. Okay, so the cyclicity doesn't mean only about the powers. Cyclicity also means the reminders. Okay, at what pace or what periodicity the reminders will repeat itself after dividing with a particular number. For example, if I divide a number with 9. Okay, what is this number? What is the reminder here? The reminder here is 4. Okay, but what if I divide a remainder? What if I divide 67 square with 9? So it's nothing but 67 into 67 divided by 9. So we can multiply these two reminders as well. So 16 divided by 9, the answer is 7. And 67 cube, and so on like that. You can find where this number 4 appearing again after how many exponents, and you can call that as cyclicity or periodicity of that remainder for that number, for that fraction. Okay, so in this way we can find cyclicity of a particular number. But these type of problems are not that much prevalent or that much asked in your IIM examination, IBMAT examinations. So I feel that this model is a little bit not that important or not that tough also. So you can easily answer this type of questions. So the other model which is very important and sometimes has been asked in IIM indoor examinations, not in other examinations, but this type of questions were asked in your CAT examination. So I prefer to know this one because it's little bit a logical thing also. Okay, it's somewhat analytical. It is a number system only, but it's somewhat analytical. Okay, let's see this one. Ashish is given rupees 158 in 1 rupee denominations. That means he got 158 1 rupee denominations. He has been asked to allocate them into a number of bags such that any amount required between rupee 1 and 158 can be given by handing out a certain number of bags without opening them. What is the minimum number of bags required? If you are that kind of person who already solved previous year questions in Indore, you can find this type of question little bit relatable to the one of the previous question in Indore, I think. So what this thing means? So here the question is about everything is in parts of, is in 1 rupee only. Now he has to pack these coins in number of in different number of bags. So he can handle this number of bags whenever any thing is asked between rupee 1 and 158. So that thing can be done. But how? So why I call it logical, you will understand it sometime later. Let's see this problem first. So how to arrange these coins in the number of bags? Okay, now if I take 1 rupee in one bag and 10 rupees in another bag and 20 rupees coins, 20 coins in another bag, 30 coins in another bag, like that, can I get, okay, let us distribute here, 60, 61, so like that, 40, 50, so 90 here, 150 here, done. And still I got 7 coins to be distributed. Okay, so they said that into a number of bags such that any amount required between rupee and 158. Okay, from 1 to 158 they can ask any number of coins. You have to give them just by without opening the bags. You have to keep that ready and you have to give that at a time. So can I ask 69 rupees from this thing? I can give this bag, this bag, this bag. It made 60 and this will be 61 and this is 68. That is not, so 69 is not possible in this way. Can I give these two and these two? No, not at all possible. That means how to distribute these items is the thing here. I cannot just take different random numbers like that. Okay, it's all about binomial system. Okay, taking everything in terms of power 2, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. Okay, so if I take like that, the sum will be 2 power 7 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1, so it will be 64, 128, it will be 127. So still I'll be remained with 27. How many coins are there? Like 31 coins. Okay, so let us say 2 power 8, 2, 127 is there. Okay, instead of 158, let us understand this question first. If at all, if they give 127 coins to me, okay, I can distribute them in terms of 2 like this. Like I can take 1 coin in one bag, 2 coins in one bag, 4 coins in another bag, 8 coins, 16 coins, 32, 64 coins, like that. Now, what if they ask me, just like I have asked in the previous one, 69 rupees. Okay, I can take this one, it makes 64. I need another 5 rupees. So this one 4, 68, and this one 1. Oh, sorry, not this one, this one 1. So it makes 69. Like that, I can get any number between 1 to 127. Okay, like that I can get any number from this power 2s. So I have to arrange everything in terms of 2. So can I arrange? Now let's come back to the question. Can I arrange 158 like that? No, not possible. Why? Because 158 will not come under sum of 2 powers. Okay, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 cube, 2 square, like that. So I cannot arrange them in that way. So what I can, what is the answer here? It's not possible. Okay, because I will be remaining with 31 coins separately like that. I cannot distribute them. So here I cannot distribute. So I hope you understood this question. I think in Indore 2022, I think some question like this has been asked. Okay, so please check this type of problems. So whenever they ask you to arrange or they wants to give these numbers or give this distribute these coins in such a way that you can handle, you can be asked any number between 1 to that particular number without opening them. That means you should not have, you don't have any chance to redistribute them again. Okay, so like that this question can be answered. So we'll meet in the next one. Thank you.